Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about some advanced features of MS Excel 2016. So first of all we will learn about quick analysis tool that can be availed using just select all the data we want to analyze, and then at the bottom corner you can see there is an icon that is normally called as the quick analysis, that can be also be accessed by Ctrl+Q shortcut. Okay, so just click on that, and after that you can see there are different options available to analyze the data. So first of all, hovering all the options, you can see the result. So I am just hovering that one. Suppose hovering data bars will convert the gross sale and profit to the data bars that is that will be for that particular lines. Okay, similarly color, the color is converting, means that is how much does it cost or how much it is been sold, and depending on that the colors is automatically being changed. Similarly icon set, that is up or down, how it is up, how it is down of a particular threshold value. Okay, greater than. Similarly we can apply our own logics also here, that is if we apply some logic here and then depending on that this can be changed. Okay, similarly text, suppose here by default Canada is selected, so that is why Canada is red marked. Okay, and similarly we can clear, means if we apply some formatting analysis, then automatically it can be cleared using these clear options. Next option is charts. To design different types of charts, just hover that, you can see it has been designed using the for different segment. It has been designed small business, mid market, government, enterprise and channel partners. Depending on that it has been differentiated. Okay, there is similarly for the class chart, different types of charts are there. You can see for different types which we need, that we have to it is depending on the states, it is depending on the country, it is depending on, and all others are normally depending on the segments that is been depending on the segment it is been, that total sale has been charted and represented in a chart. Okay, next totals. Total means it will give you sum, average, count and different types of matters. Okay, so just hover on that, you can see sum is shown at the bottom of the Excel window. Sum is given for each column. Average is given, count is given, total is given. Running sum means it is for creating a chart, it is given. For sum for each line, it is also given at the right side. Okay, similar there are too much options also available. Average for the right side, count, total, running. Okay, in this way we can get all the different mathematical or financial calculation here using the totals. Next one is the tables. To convert it a table, to make it used for slicer and for other purposes, we can first we need to convert it to table, but we are not converting it right now. For that we need some pivot tables also. Different types of pivot tables also available there, we can use any one of them. Next one is spark lines, means that is graphical representation of that line. There is the spark line depending on the profits and others. Columns, it is also the same. Win or loss, it is also the same. Depending on the profit it is being done. Okay, so in this way the total quick analysis tools, in quick analysis tool there are too much options available to analyze the data in different manner, in different way. Okay, thank you.